coconut milk and carrot and rice. Let's go, guys.
So I've made this rice before. Yeah, about 2 weeks
So I
ago, a
start
week
by breaking
ago.
my
So this is the second
carrots.
time
I
I'm
don't use
making this
enough carrots.
coconut
Mind
milk
you,
and
I didn't
carrot
use enough
rice.
carrots. I
Yeah,
saw
so
this,
this is the meat I use
allow it to
red
cook.
meat,
Then
my
I head over to
protein.
fry my
Yeah,
meat because I use a little bit of
I didn't use
red
a
meat.
lot. I also added
So
the
this red meat is
shrimp,
supposed to
so
be
that's
enough
why.
because I use half of it to
So I got in with the
make some
seasonings. So
little
this is the
soup.
shrimp I use
So
with
I
the,
add my seasoning,
yeah, the last time I
different kind of
cooked it
seasoning,
I
my
didn't use shrimp,
curry,
I
my
only use
paprika, my
red meat.
alcohol,
Yeah,
different kind of
so
seasoning.
beef,
Yeah,
that's what I
different.
use. So I've fried everything. At this time both of them is done frying, so I'm gonna scoop and also go in with mine.
So this is it. Everything is done. Look at that.
So the meat and the shrimp is done. Yeah, so look at that. Look at how it's looking, very yummy. See that? Yeah. So this my pepper meat is supposed to be roughly blend, but my blender crushed everything. Yeah, but it's okay. So yeah, we're gonna fry it like that. So if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to Chika Wosu TV. On Facebook, Chika Wosu. Subscribe on TikTok, Chika Wosu. So these are carrots. We're gonna go in with our carrots and stir fry our carrots. Then yeah, start adding the rice we cooked. So you can see the rice is at the other end. It's already done. Yeah. So I already made this dish before, like I said. I saw it from Dreadful Cook. This is the second time I made it. So my husband saw it, say he likes it. I should make it again. I said okay. Yeah, so this is it. So I'm gonna go in with the rice after I add the shrimp and the protein. Yeah, so baby girl came to the stove. Look at my hand. I cut my finger when I was like the what's it called, the milk container that I opened. I don't know what what I was doing. It cut my finger. The blood that they have to suspend this cooking and treat myself first. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with the rice, my coconut milk cooked rice. Then stir fry everything together. Make sure they incorporate together, right? So yeah, this is very yummy. Let me know if you're gonna try this. It's very yummy, guys. Try it. So for me to make it the second time, so you're supposed to know it's very yummy.
Yeah, so everything is all together now. Look at that. Coconut, no tomatoes, just um so look at it. Very yummy. I forgot my chicken in the oven, so but it's okay. I have my shrimp and meat to eat with it. Yeah. So this is no tomatoes, no bell pepper, only what they called. Oh my god. My carrots and the coconut milk and other spices that I use. So for me to make it the second time, know that it's very yummy. So this is our popsicle. I made this popsicle when they went to school. My son came back and saw it in the freezer. I said, "Oh, mommy, I want some." So I had to check. It's already frozen. So I had to get it out and give to them. So when you make it a smoothie, they will not drink it. But this is how you catch them. Make it popsicle, put in the freezer to frozen, and they're gonna be running to it. I want some. I want some. So this is it. Yeah, I have this nylon or the what they called. Yeah, when I bought this popsicle container. So this is how you catch them. If they don't like eating fruits, they have content like banana, strawberry, mango, pineapple, milk, different kind of, it's rich. Yeah, so you give it to them to eat. They liked it. So guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Love you guys so much. Yeah. New haters, subscribe, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget it. It's free of charge, okay? It doesn't cost